The Morgan Creek wildfire burning in Routt County has blown up, and it's now more than 1,600 acres. Crews blame strong winds overnight. Fire officials say it moved south and east toward the Middle Fork fire burn scar. That fire burned more than 20,000 acres in fall of 2020. The Morgan Creek wildfire is believed to have started south of the Hinman campground. Officials issued pre-evacuation orders yesterday. That's for the eastern Seed House area near Forest Service Roads 442 and 442B.